Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and today I have another video for you. It is an unboxing video. Now before I get started actually, I want to say that I got this off of eBay, so I'm hoping that it actually does what it says it's going to do. This is from this seller called Thrifty_dog or Thrifty Dog, whatever it's called. It's DOG. So I don't know if there's a dog that's actually thrifty, that's mailing stuff. If so, we have puppy dogs doing what they need to do to ship out packages. Now, keep in mind I'm not insulting the seller, I am just having a little bit of fun, and let's see what this is about. Now, this is supposed to be an OVO radio-controlled talking clock with time, indoor temperature, indoor humidity, and a nap time timer. So, I have no idea how to work this. The seller wasn't really specific with me, so I guess needless to say, let's get our batteries situated and let's go ahead and bring this box forward. Now it is a little heavy, but it is not, it's like a standard sized box. So they take this pretty damn good. We're gonna cut through this. So, it's like pulling teeth. Okay. I don't know what to think. So the seller said that it takes AAA batteries, so we're gonna unwind the box like that, take off its top. What? Radio controlled. And this is by a company named OVO. There are 3 switches. Okay. Roll up your sleeves. Do I have 4? And 4.
It is 0 o'clock. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 0%. It is 0 o'clock. It is 23 o'clock. The temperature is it is 23 o'clock. The temperature is 22. It is 21 o'clock. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 0. It is 0 o'clock. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 0. It is 0 o'clock. The temperature is 22. It is 0 o'clock. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity it is 1 o'clock. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. It is time set. Alarm set time. Countdown timer. 40 minutes. 60 minutes. 0 minutes. 0 minutes. Alarm on. Alarm off. Time set. Hour set. Minute set. Hour set. Alarm set. Time. Countdown timer. 60 minutes. 0 minutes. It is 0:01. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 0%. It is 21:01. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 0%. It is 22:02. The temperature is 22.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 0%. It is 23:02. The temperature is 24.1 degrees Celsius. It is 0:02. The temperature is 24.1 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 0%. It is 0:02. The temperature is 75.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 0%. It is 22:02. The temperature is 75.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 0%. Time set. Hour set. Minute set. Alarm time. Time set. It is 22. It is 22-hour set. Alarm set. Time set. Alarm time set. It is 20:02. It is 20:02. It is 20-hour set. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Alarm set. It is 0 o'clock. Time. It is 20:02. The 10 countdown timer. 90 minutes. 0 minutes. Time set. It is 20:02. Hour set. 19, 18, 18, 18, 18, 19, 20. Minute set. Hour set. 20. Minute set. Alarm set. Time. It is 20:02. The temperature is 75.4 degrees Fahrenheit. It is 20:02. The temperature is 75.4 degrees Fahrenheit. It is 20:02. The temperature is 75.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 23:02. The temperature is 22:02. The temperature is 21:02. The temperature is 20:02. The temperature is 19:02. The temperature is 70. It is 20:02. The temperature is 75. It is 19:02. The temperature is 75.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 0%.
We will see if this thing don't sound like an atomic talking clock. It is not. No.
The temperature is 26.9 degrees Celsius. The humidity is 30%. It is 19:03. The temperature is 80.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 30%. It is 22:03. The temperature is 79.7 degrees. It is 21:03. The temperature is 19:04. The temperature is 79.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. Countdown timer. 10 minutes. 20 minutes. 50 minutes. 7 degrees Fahrenheit. 60 minutes. 0 minutes. 19 hours set. Minute set. Alarm set. Time. Countdown. 90 minutes. 10 minutes. 90. 0 minutes. It is 19:05. The temperature is 79.7 time set. 12:07 p.m. The temperature is 79.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. It is 12:07 p.m. The temperature is 82.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. It is 12:08 p.m. The temperature is 82.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. Time set. Hour set. 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Alarm set. Time set. Hour set. 10, 10, 9, 9, 9, 10 minutes set. Alarm set. It is 12 o'clock a.m. Time set. Hour set. 8, 6, 4, 4 minutes set. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 7 minutes. 6 minutes. Alarm set. It is 0 o'clock. Time set. Hour set. Minutes. Alarm set. It is 0 o'clock. Hour set. Minute. Hour. Minute. Time set. Hour. Minute. Alarm. It is 12 o'clock a.m. Time set. Hour set. 11 p.m. 6 p.m. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 minutes set. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. 6 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 minutes. 59 minutes. Alarm set. It is 12 o'clock a.m. Time. It is 2:59. 3 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%.
Alright, we're getting ready to see if this clock will update. If not, this is not a radio-controlled talking clock, and this will be a dud.
It is 2:59 a.m. The temperature is 82.8 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%.
Alright, y'all. Watch this with me. Ziggy, stop. Hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes starting now.
Guys, this is a supposed OVO radio-controlled talking clock, right? Well, let's see what this clock really is now. Come on now, y'all. Come on now, somebody. Talking about this is a radio-controlled atomic talking clock. Please. I'm dying over here. This is funny. So this is some funny shit. So we set it to 2:59 a.m. because all clocks update at 3. So it's 6:09 p.m. Let's see if it'll update. And if not, then this clock's a fucking dud. And it shall meet its end if I decide to get rid of it. I don't know. I'm gonna be playing around with the different switches. Be like, cause there's like 3 switches, right? There's 3 switches. I don't know what the other 2 do. Did it come with instructions? They have all the paper you can pack into this damn box. Computer, tell me about the OVO radio controlled talking clock with time, indoor temperature, and indoor humidity, and why there's 3 switches.
The OVO radio-controlled talking clock features a large digital display showing time, indoor temperature, and humidity. It likely has 3 switches for setting the alarm, switching the alarm on /off, and activating the snooze function. The radio control feature ensures accurate timekeeping by automatically adjusting to the correct time.
How do you set the feature to on? There's 3 switches. Neither one of them are for the alarm. One of them is for Fahrenheit and Celsius, but what are the other 2 switches for?
The other 2 switches likely control the time format, 12-hour or 24-hour, and audio feedback, tones and beeps on or off.
No, it doesn't do that. I've messed with them. How do you enable the radio controlled feature?
The radio control feature on your OVO talking clock should typically be enabled by default. Have you tried pressing and holding the receive button to see if it searches for the radio signal?
Where's the receive button?
The receive button on your OVO radio controlled talking clock is likely one of the 3 switches on the device. Have you tried pressing each switch briefly to see if any of them trigger the radio signal search?
No, but I'll be able to read this at some point. I found the instructions. Thank you so much for your help.
Perfect. Glad you found the manual. That'll have all the switch details you need. Nothing beats the actual instructions when you're trying to decode mysterious buttons. Happy clock setting.
So, we have this set for 10 minutes. I will, if I can't figure it out, I will probably hop back with a short, brief thing after I get in contact with somebody, because I have the instructions, and I will see if they could be read on how to enable the radio signal on this thing if this thing updates without anything, because I don't know what the 3 switches are for. So we're gonna wait and see what happens, but they do mess with the time, and all it does is bring the clock back and forward. So maybe this clock does update. I never heard of it. So, this thing has a higher pitch.
The time is 6:14 p.m.
So, hey Siri, how much time is left?
There's a timer with 3 minutes and 12 seconds left.
3 minutes and 12 seconds. Do I want to check it? I'm going to wait for the full 10 minutes. And then we'll see where we're at, what's going on, and everything in between. Now, I do want to say that, I mean, I honestly think it's bullshit, but we're gonna see what the instructions is all about, and because I bought this thinking, okay, it's radio controlled, stuff like that. Now, granted, I don't know, because I can't see print, so for all I know, it may very well not be, and it better be, because it advertises that on the box. Like, I don't know if it was a guy or a girl said that this clock does set itself, and there are 3 switches, and I immediately thought it was bullshit. I'm not gonna lie, because of the simple fact that it's the simple fact that, number one, it's it's dealing with time and stuff like that. Now, I may have turned the setting off. I turned some setting all the way to the right, and it may very well had been on. So did I mess with anything? I don't know. I hope not, but I will mess with it again, and we will do it for 20 minutes on this clock to see on the different settings, did I mess anything up or did I not? So I don't know. If it already corrected the time, we don't need to do anything. But before I read the instructions, or have somebody read the instructions for me, because I'm going to probably use, hey Siri, stop. I think Be My Eyes if I can get people to answer. But we will mess with them. Switches of nothing else.
It is 3:10 a.m. The temperature is 75.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. It is 6:10 a.m. The temperature is 75.7 75.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 7:10 a.m. The temperature is 75.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 6:10 a.m. The temperature is 75.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. Time set. Hour set. 7, 8, 9, 10. Minute set. Hour set. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Minute set.
So it doesn't beep.
Hour set. 2. Minute set. 10 minutes. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 59 minutes. Alarm set time. It is 2:59. The temperature is 75.4 degrees. Time set. It is 2:59. Hour set. Minute. Alarm time. It is 2:59 a.m. The temperature is 75.4 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%.
1 is 3. Ziggy, stop. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes starting now.
So before I get somebody to help me look at the instructions, we started flipping switches. And so apparently what they do is they will adjust the time. I'm not sure about that. I think that sets it for Eastern time zone. Because I had it set. I think I had it set. I think it was set to the correct thing. I don't know what the different switches do. I know one of them does Fahrenheit and Celsius. I don't know what the other two does. Maybe it might be radio controlled and I need to wait till tomorrow to see if it'll update. That's why, I'm gonna try to see what it will do, and I will put it in different locations. So I might try it for 1 more minute, but I want to see if it'll update. But I might just stick with the 20-minute rule, and then I'm going to see if anything, and if nothing, then this clock will be destroyed. Because all I simply wanted was a radio-controlled atomic talking clock. That's all I wanted. And if it don't work, well, I'm gonna have to destroy it, I'm gonna show you people that we destroy things around here when they don't work to our satisfaction. So, anyway, oh my gosh. I'm telling you, we're getting ready to destroy this clock. if I can't figure out how to get it updated though. Of course I'm gonna check the instructions and I'll let you guys know. But until then, I think I might go ahead and toss this clock in the bath. I'll have it check my water temperature, and after this I'm gonna need to order me some more AAA batteries because the battery's gonna be wet. I'm gonna have me some fun, and I'll put that clock in my do a 2-for-1 double destruction. If it don't look out, because I'm seriously gonna destroy it if this don't work. I ain't gonna get my money back. I'm going to do what I need to do. So good old destruction. Being interesting is fun. So, it all begins. Okay, I'm just being stupid. What the fuck? Will you update, mate? Come on now, mate. Blimey. Okay, what the fuck? So might have to leave it sit overnight, but I'm telling you now, man, if this don't work, I'm destroying it along with this other clock I'm gonna destroy. And when I mean I'm gonna destroy it, that means I'm gonna destroy to the it. That thing's gonna gargle the water. It's gonna be that's all it's gonna do. Hey, I ain't gonna feel bad though, because it had it coming, you know. Hey, you don't work for me, I drown the clock. Bye bye. Now what? We're gonna put things around here. We're gonna make things work. Woo! We're about to do something right. Because when I get done, I get done and I get down to business. That's how I operate around here. Because when I say it's time to drown it, it is time to drown to the it. Yeah. We gonna drown it. Name the top 10 answers on the board. What did Chase do to his so-called atomic talking clock? Somebody said he drowned it. Drowned it! Ding, 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 ding! Oh my God. He drowned his clock. I can't believe it. Well, it didn't work. What was I supposed to do? You know? You're supposed to drown clocks that don't work. I mean, the best thing you could do is drown a piece of shit. Just, you know, you gotta take a hammer to it. Water will get in there just fine. Yeah, buddy. And put water in that clock and call it good, you know? If it don't update, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm giving this thing 24 hours, probably more. And if it don't update, I'm drowning that son of a bitch. So. I've been a noodle. Why? I have been a really bad noodle. I've been shrieking. What does a noodle like to do? It likes to, okay, but no. I'm being stupid, okay? I don't really, noodles don't really shriek. Come on. This thing's a piece of shit. Well, Avada Kedavra to that clock if it don't work. If it was back in the Harry Potter days, I'd totally pull out my wand and stun the clock and then shoot green light at it, which is Avada Kedavra, and it'll die. Hey Siri, stop. Did it disappoint me? Let's wait and let's see.
It is 3:10 a.m. The temperature is 73.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. It is 3:10 a.m. The temperature is 73.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. It is 3:10 a.m. The temperature is 73.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%. It is 3:10 a.m. The temperature is 73.9 degrees Fahrenheit. The humidity is 20%.
Are you gonna sound that lively when I drowned you in a few days if you don't update, you nasty clock? Alright, so before I do anything else, let me see if I can get the instructions to me read. And I'll probably do that within the next few minutes. I'll be back later. Y'all stay safe. And there might be a ceremony for this, or not ceremony, but a funeral for this clock. So, good luck. Stay safe. And drowning products is good, Berta. Good.